And ladies and gentlemen, my name is Zensuke Matsuda, and from Japan Institute of Plant Maintenance. And I'm a senior researcher and also the assessor of TPM award. And I'm not a consultant, okay? So at first, I would like to talk about, there are two seminars. One is a basic story about TPM. So title is TPM philosophy and activity, okay? Improvements, and there are 16 major losses. This is base. So you can find these losses from the calendar hours, schedule shutdown, production adjustment, ticket failure, process failure, and so on. So you can calculate these numbers. This also shows the example of actual working hours. Okay? There are lots of shutdown, irregular shutdown, and so rework or whatever you have. Sorry, I may skip some of the things by clicking. This is an example of KMI, KPI, KI, and loss cost matrix. Okay. So let's start from KMI. Maybe your top management define as a target revenue, profit, new product, and so the next thing you can do is the know the cost structure of a company or factory, and comparing this. And you have to define cost reduction target. And through that process, you have many losses. So we use very convenient TPM tool that is loss cost matrix. Okay. So there are some key performance indicators you will have to define and do Kaizen and the evaluation and checking, KI, standardization. So the some action is good. That should be summarized as SOP, standard operating procedures. Finished. So how do you make your target, for instance, next 3 years? So benchmark is the profit, what we have right now, how much we have to make cost down. Labor cost must increase, but it can increase production. But material cost must increase, and also fuel cost. And but we can get production reduction of depreciation, and we have to have price down to customers. So the profit we won't get this much. If we don't do so, this cost down is your target. Oh, this is an example of cost trees. In case of a plant cost, there is of course manufacturing cost, management cost. Of course, that depends how you can calculate in your ways. And this is a loss tree. So there should be lots of losses. You have to find out production cost loss, production volume, quality, control issues. There are so many losses. This is an example of loss cost matrix. So you can easily find which cost is huge, which loss is huge. So you have to make a priority. Sorry. Okay. This is an example of loss elimination. So if the breakdown loss is biggest, so initially, primarily responsible pillar is PM pillar, planned maintenance pillar. And minor stoppage loss, this is autonomous maintenance, because operators knows very well the situation, equipment, machine, how often the equipment stops work. Customer complaints, as I explained, a quality maintenance team should take initiative. So this example shows, but with the collaboration with these pillars,